In this guide, I'll show you how to get a custom wallpaper background on PS5 using the new Welcome Hub. So if you don't see this, make sure your PS5 is up to date and it should automatically pop up. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down, and then we're going to go to change background in the top right corner. From here, you'll see from PlayStation where there's a bunch of free still images, as well as animated images at the bottom. Now, if you scroll up to the top, you'll see from games where it looks like they're adding new ones. And if you scroll over to Media Gallery, this is where you can select any screenshot and set it as your wallpaper. So once you've changed your background, you can go back. And we're going to be removing a lot of these widgets. It kind of takes up some space. So go to Edit Widgets in the top right corner. From here, you can remove a lot of these widgets. You do have to have at least 3 though, so you can select the ones that you want to keep. And once you've done this, you can also adjust the size of them. So if you have a look in the bottom right corner, you'll see the option to move these widgets. So I'm going to make it smaller and I'm going to move it over. And I'm going to do the same thing with the trophies because it's taking up a lot of space. Then what you want to do is select the one that's over here. So I'm going to do that now. And I'm going to move it over as well. So a lot less space is taken and you can more easily see the background. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.